Hello everyone and welcome. In this video we are going to be discussing how to dispute Experian credit report error. So if you are having any type of errors in Experian credit report generation or any type of that issue is occurring, then this video is for you. Now we have different type of platforms or mediums that we can utilize to simply raise our dispute. So first of all is gonna be the dispute website. So you can head over to that. You can see I've already opened that up. You can see we can head over to experian.com/dispute, and once you are there, you are gonna be simply able to start a new dispute online that you can use to simply raise your dispute online using the platform. Or if you want to sign and check existing dispute, if you have already done that, is a different scenario. So you have other mediums as well. You can simply uh, do a PO box and simply mail them using this address. You can see we have all the information written in front of you. You can note it down if you want to head over to the side as well, if you can do that. And you have your phone. You can see you can dial up the number. You can see we have Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. So for Experian we have this number that you can access and simply raise a dispute using your call. So I hope this was really informative, because a lot of people need help and different kind of issues are there. So yeah, that is for now. I hope this is going to be helping. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. See you guys in the next video.